Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to use multiple charts in TradingView. Use multi-chart layout setup. So you have two options. First one, if you are a paid user, you can simple click on the box. You will see at the top navigation bar a layout setup box. You can simple tap on it and then here you will see many layouts. Two screen layout, 3 chart layout, 4, 5, 6 and up to 16 chart layout. But this feature will only available for our paid users. If you are a paid user, you can easily tap this button to use the multiple chart layout. Here you will see like this. Okay, here is a two charts open. Okay, so now there also a free way that you can use. So this method will be works on if you have two displays like too many monitors. So you can simple open a new tab. Okay, and then where you can easily open the trading view. Okay, open the chart and then simple switch this window to the new monitor. Okay, and also if you have a long monitor, so don't worry, you can simple small your window and then open the another chart here in a next window in the next tab, and then here you will see easily use the multiple chart layouts. Okay, so here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.